The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Hey everybody, Jay Savage here, and I just want to give a big shout out to Dancehall Skilla. Make sure that you listen to my new single Mechanic. If you haven't already, you can find it on my YouTube page. You better bust it like a minigun. 3, 4, 5, busting many comes, man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Me there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. The person who you saw in the video that I just presented to you, he is a musician who goes by the name of Jay Savage. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, he is a talented musician. I listened to more than one of his songs, you see me? And there's one of his songs that I want to introduce to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? The name of that song is Complicated. And I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. That's down below this video. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. And if you click that link will take you to the song that I'm talking about. You see me? Yeah, the name of the song is Complicated. And that song has been done by Jay Savage. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, you see, anytime me tell you say a song sound good, it sound good, and a song sound good. Remember me telling you that, alright? So click the link down below and go listen to the song and let me know what you think about that song. You see me? Me say that song is good. You see me? Alright, so Jay Savage, big up yourself, you see? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I have videos that I'm going to present to you in this video, you know, and the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a public transportation vehicle somehow ripped apart. You see me? Yeah. This public transportation vehicle just somehow ripped apart. You see me? Like tearing two. You see me? Now, I do not know when this video has been recorded, nor do I know where in the world this video has been recorded. But however, this video has been out there for some time on social media, and this video is being talked about on social media, alright? So I'm going to present the video to you, and then you can let me know what you think, alright? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about this video. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. So that about somehow that public transportation vehicle just ripped apart, like tearing two. See me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information if anyone had been injured or so on, but however, viewers and subscribers, like that video shows something that is somewhat amazing to me, and it have me wondering. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about that video, alright? Now, alright, so I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows what happened when police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago went to a house that is located somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, viewers and subscribers, to my knowledge, one person had been arrested, you see me? However, I am not sure if anyone else had been arrested, you see me? So I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you, and you can take a look at these pieces of videos, and you can also tell me what you think about these pieces of videos. You can tell me if you think more than one person had been arrested, and so on. Is what I'm saying to you. Alright, the reason why I'm presenting these pieces of videos to you is because these pieces of videos are being talked about on social media as well. Alright, now, as I'm about to present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
They're busting the outside.
They're busting the outside, though.
The outside, the
The guy took one?
The fucking no place. Get the fuck price it up on it. Look. Hey, don't play mad there, boy. Don't play mad there, boy. Don't play mad there, boy. You're wrong.
Hey, get her. Hey. All are going mad. Doggy man say you want a lawyer present to go in the house. He want a lawyer present to go in the house. He want a lawyer present.
Don't need the man, man.
Well, that's a dog.
It's a water, man.
Hey, if you like someone,
Man, go inside.
Only unjust, boy.
Man, go kill him.
Only unjust.
to kill it again.
Kill him tonight. Kill him.
You can't put nothing on him, man. I'll try to put some on him, man. You can't put nothing on him, man. Man, go inside.
Hey, you're not going inside.
Not go inside. Kill him. Man, go inside.
He want a lawyer present. The man balling.
Watch out, the man fall inside. You're nasty, man. You shoot all the winner. Call a bus. Man, call a bus. All the weekend locked up today. All. You're too nasty, man. You're going to say police, man.
So you watch out and crack. You shoot somebody now, man.
You're too nasty, man.
Somebody or like shot somebody.
You climb that.
Shoot somebody. You ain't practice that.
Shoot somebody.
You ain't practice.
All that crack. Take care, jam, eh?
Take care, jam. And you're signing.
The man not going inside.
He's not going in.
You all on Facebook watching right now. We live here right now. We live.
We live
Live
at
here.
the DSS.
We live here right now. We live.
Nothing.
Watch him on the ground there.
Find the girl. Don't let me send people. Find her. What is all find him?
We live.
We spend all the salary million at a time, man. How long we talk, man? You're hungry. Show me I'm going in.
They're coming.
You can sit down right there. Don't move by Prizo, by.
Prezi, don't move, Prezi.
Walk inside now. One of them walk inside. Walk inside. All of them come outside now. Everybody outside.
Come to do, man. I don't do. Come in here and teach when I shoot. I don't know they're doing
T-foot badge.
Red people on the live.
They come in, but they're trying to drag him in the house.
Trying to drag a man inside. All the wicked up. All the wicked and bad.
Wait till the weather. Them should be here since the
Dejan, you come right in on.
No, I see them here clear. I see them here clear. Everybody can see right now. Shoot him. We are real witness.
Ola, share the link now, Ola, share the link. Ola, watch what's going on, share the link now, man.
Walking out
After them woman, but the next man right now, what is what they're doing? Running down to small man. And after the woman bouncing.
Hey, what do you want to do?
Bouncing. And another guy. While you're on duty, running down people.
Give Barry the phone right. Everybody's on up there. Barry.
For a maxi one time.
Yeah, we have a little thing
I gotta fix him up nice.
No reason to tell people who want to be 6 feet. Yeah, you know this skilla too, so
And die.
If you get a glitch, social mode, eh?
Vexel.
With the air they bring.
Watch him. Are you out of socket? Oh, you like the attorney lane pass. Just like that, lane pass.
Yeah. They don't know if it's. They don't know if it's.
Lane pass.
They like that, like I don't know who that is.
Hey, no mean see in prison dog. I know see there.
Nobody never run
Well, I can give up.
No grounds.
Hey, no grounds there, right? No grounds, right? Hey, that paper like a thing good, boy.
Them got free, they pay.
But the chai.
Them guys even bid.
Hey.
Even bid. I can tell you
Talking about man, what you talking about? You only watch them and shit in my face.
Penny don't know you always on his shoulder. You'll kill him more than good. Alright.
You know why I'm so glad? Man, the biggest fucking body I hold more tonight, eh? I see the whole you.
I got it for what talk, eh?
Is it a wicked? You don't get more than you have.
Can't go inside and lock back. Come again. Yeah, no tipping them, yeah. You a fucking pin.
I am sure. Send for the warrant. Like you did last time? Yeah. The man did a reason, no social this time. Okay, I'm not doing a station. Social this time? What grams? What grams?
Hey, we're only talking, my husband. The Prime Minister talking on her. The Guinea can't even there.
Hey, viewers, subscribers, you have some people them love excitement, you know. Yeah, man, you have some people them love excitement, like them just, it's just certain things just exciting to them, you see. Alright, I just put together and presented to you pieces of videos that shows what happened when police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago went to a house that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, you see me? And that's quite a number of law enforcers. You see me I say? Yeah, in my point of view, it seems as if what happened there was somewhat serious. Yeah, for so many police officers to be there, it seems serious. You see? Alright, to my knowledge, I saw where one person had been arrested. You understand me? I don't know if anyone else had been arrested, but I'm telling you what I know. So therefore, there might be more information when it comes down to that incident that these pieces of videos shows. You understand? But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what I think about the incident or the pieces of videos that I presented to you. And you can also let me know what I think about the other videos that I presented to you, you know? One that shows the musician who goes by the name of J Savage, and the other one that shows when the bus somehow tear in two. You see me? Yeah. Some person that said the bus split in two. That's not normal still, you know? Yeah, that's not normal. That something was wrong there. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You see me? Yeah, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla TnT.